Hi everybody, this is Ted, and for the start of today's video, I'm speaking to you from my home. Did you know that there are many everyday products that fluoresce? When my assistant turns off the regular lights in my bathroom and turns on an ultraviolet lamp, objects that fluoresce will appear very bright. Everything else appears very dark. Many colorful objects don't fluoresce, however, including the outfit I've got on. Today's question is, how can scientists use fluorescence to detect a chemical that doesn't actually fluoresce? We have moved back into the lab now. I am standing next to a bottle that contains water and glycine. Glycine is a molecule that does not fluoresce, but it does contain an amine group. Amines are often present in fingerprints and in other forensic samples, so it would certainly be nice if we could see when they are present. One strategy to detect non-fluorescent molecules is to react them with a special dye molecule. When the two molecules react, they form a product that will fluoresce quite vividly. This type of reaction is referred to as turn-on fluorescence, because the fluorescence turns on if the reaction is successful. For today's experiment, we prepared a dye called naphthalene 2,3-dicarboxylaldehyde. It's in the vial on my right, and it doesn't fluoresce very well by itself. But when it reacts with an amine group, it loves to fluoresce. We mix the dye with several different molecules that are on my left. Can you guess which vials have amines in them when we turn on the ultraviolet lamp? Wow, that was so bright! I should have had my laser safety goggles on. In fact, it's so bright we can still see the fluorescence if we turn the room lights on at the same time as the ultraviolet lamp. That doesn't always happen. There are many different dyes that can be used to target different molecules that are important in forensic chemistry. Amines are just one type of chemical group that scientists like to target in forensic labs. That concludes today's lesson on fluorescence testing. Thank you for joining me today. From the lab, this is Ted signing off. I look forward to seeing you next time.